Buying, selling, and trading gold and silver on AltCoin Trader is going to be the topic of this morning's video. We're going to discuss the ins and outs and the benefits of buying on an exchange as opposed to traditional coin shops and traditional vendors. Good morning, everybody. It is a Tuesday morning and it's a lovely winter's morning in South Africa. Okay, let's get right into this. So AltCoin Trader recently started allowing its clients to invest in gold and silver and buy gold, sell gold, and trade gold. Of course, silver too. And there's been a lot of questions, and I just wanted to hopefully clear up a lot of the questions and really unpack what it is that we're offering and why it's beneficial. So the first thing I want to start off with is the price of silver. And a lot of people have asked me, why is the price of silver so high? Because on AltCoin Trader, silver is currently trading at around 400 Rand per ounce. And rightfully so, because if you look at the spot price of silver, it's around about 265 Rand per fine ounce. Okay, so if you've looked around and you've tried to buy a silver coin, like myself, you probably find that silver coins, you're not able to get them for less than 400 Rand. Okay, some places I even managed to find them as low as 350 Rand per silver coin. And when I made further inquiries, I discovered that that 350, you still had to add VAT onto it. So once again, it came to around about the 400 Rand mark. So if you're saying, well, it's a lot of money to pay for an ounce of silver, remember it is a silver coin, okay? And if you could get silver at like 265 Rand per ounce, and you could buy coins at that price, you would have the ability to make a huge profit by simply buying a lot of these coins, putting these coins on AltCoin Trader, and then selling them at the 400 odd Rand mark. So another thing to consider is, remember, AltCoin Trader never sets the price of any commodity on our exchange. It is set by the community, and it is set by you, the trader, putting something on the exchange and selling it. So if you had to find coins at a really low price, you could drop the price. If you push the price up, the price would go up. It will happen as the market allows. Another thing is the gold price. Remember that AltCoin Trader is selling gold coins, mostly Kruger Rands. At this stage, in fact, it's all Kruger Rands. So before going out to a traditional vendor and buying Kruger Rands, you might want to check the price on AltCoin Trader. I've noticed over the last week, it has been a good couple of 100 Rand cheaper than you can get a Kruger Rand anywhere. Another advantage, of course, on buying at an exchange like ourselves is you don't have to buy a full coin. You could buy a half a coin, a quarter of a coin. Remember, of course, you can't withdraw a coin until it is in a full ounce unit. So you would have to wait till you had an ounce and then do the withdrawal. And yes, of course, you can withdraw the physical asset and you can get that coin. It will be couriered to you, or we would ask you to collect it from one of our many, many retail outlets that we've got all over the country, from Durban to Cape Town to Gauteng. You would make arrangements with our withdrawal department, and they would tell you where to go and fetch your coins. Watch out, there is a withdrawal fee, and that should be factored in, but it's no more than what any traditional retailer would charge you to courier coins. Okay, so now some other benefits. If you were to buy your Kruger Rands, your gold, or your silver, normally if you're buying it from a traditional vendor, you would have to choose a day and then go in and buy it. With an exchange, it's different. You could make your deposit of your rands and simply wait till the gold price took a dip and choose that day to buy. So, of course, giving you a lot more freedom on your trade. Also, if you saw that the gold price was going particularly high on a certain day, you could sell it if you were sure that it was going to drop the next day and buy it back and therefore get more gold. So in other words, you have the flexibility of trading your asset. And if you are skilled in buying low and selling high, you could actually grow that coin. Obviously, watch out, because there are dangers that you could actually shrink that coin if you got your timing wrong. But you don't have to do that. You could simply hold it. So the fact that you can have gold, silver, and Bitcoin all in one place, in one portfolio, and switch between them is a huge advantage because you could grow your portfolio. Now, there's a lot of questions around gold and silver, but it is real. You can buy it on AltCoin Trader. You can withdraw it. If you wanted to hold your physical gold yourself, you're welcome to withdraw it at any time. If you didn't want to hold your physical gold, you're welcome to deposit those coins. Once again, just send an email to our withdrawals department. They will make the arrangements and you can keep those coins. Obviously, if you've got a couple of gold coins in your cupboard at home, it's no good to you unless you can trade it, switch it into Bitcoin, switch it out of Bitcoin when the price goes up. So it probably makes sense to keep it liquid on an exchange. However, of course, you've got to trust the exchange. Now, guys, you know we've been around for more than 4 years, and a lot of the community has developed a lot of trust in us, so I don't think that that's an issue. But what we've really tried to do is we've tried to allow our clients huge diversity with their portfolio. You can hold crypto, you can hold gold, you can hold silver, and you can switch all of these commodities in and out of rands, in and out of crypto, in and out of precious metals. The benefits are endless. And if you simply want to just buy Kruger rands and keep them, AltCoin Trader is a very good option because, as I said many times, we are cheaper and you don't have to buy full units. If you wanted to buy a quarter unit every month and make a withdrawal after the 4th month, that would be an option. I hope this video has helped explain what we're doing with gold and silver. I hope it's explained how easy it is to buy gold and silver on AltCoin Trader. You can use it to buy, you can use it to sell, you can use it to trade. That's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody.